faded brown plastic. Even worse on the back. Carefully disassemble. 40% peroxide cream from a beauty supply store. Peroxide cream painted on every nook and cranny with a soft brush. Saran wrap tightly around the radio cabinet to keep it from drying out. UV LED light strip from Amazon. LED light strip wrapped loosely around the plastic case of the radio. Wrap aluminum foil around the outside of the LED light strip and radio case. Make sure don't short the LEDs. Plug in the LEDs and wait 24 hours. A quick recapping job and cleaning the controls while I was in here. Not a perfect process, but much less browning on the gray. And let me just flip it over for you. But you see a back that is now gray instead of brown.